on my mind a lot. Don't need no time watch. I don't know how I got you in my pocket spot. Yeah, that's babe, need you every day. You like my oxygen. Make it seem like the barging down.
Hey guys, how you doing? So, this G-Wagon 63 AMG we're doing right now an army green. We're gonna be finishing up the plastic on it because they're kind of like beat up a little bit. Let me show you what they look like, okay? So as you guys can see, these plastics are like pretty much like really beat up and disgusting. So it would not make sense to wrap this vehicle in army green, have it look fresh and clean, and not put brand new plastic, if you know what I mean. It's not like it's a big deal, but we will make this car hot. You just wait for the end. You know what? Why don't you guys see what it looks like right now?
This sound like Argentina. Had to fix my demeanor. No, they don't want me breathing. Still I rip like diamonds. Got on 3 Jesus pieces, looking like Jay-Z and Yeezy. So far from conceited, but how can I be defeated? I hate to turn my wrist on like I'm Ben 10. Rappers think they doing something, I'm not a fan. I told my dad today, he said it's all pretend. I got back in my bed, now I got no friends.
Copy my steel. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. Ain't no cap, I'm real. The plastic bars from a copy my steel. Copy my steel.